Hi everyone, I'm Briget. I'm a producer here at SRL, and we're so excited about our public art prompt and our partnership with Instagram. I'm going to give you just a brief tutorial about how to best film for that. So usually we film like this, and the dimensions that we get are 16 long edge by 9, the height. But for Instagram and for social media, a lot of the videos are flipped, so the long side is the height versus the short side, the length. So we can just actually turn our cameras and film like this. So I'm going to show you how to do that using your tripod. So some tripods you can actually just turn and it will flip up like that. Some you can't do that, but you can rotate it like this. So if yours does not flip up, you're going to have to turn your plate like this so that the long edge of your plate matches the long edge of your camera. So once you have your tripod mount on like this, you can put it on your tripod, tighten it, and then use the lever to rotate your camera into a vertical position. So imagine I'm getting footage of Christy working on her laptop. If I were filming horizontally, you can easily see both Christy and her laptop. But filming vertically, you don't get such a wide view. As you can see, I only have Christy, but now her hands are cut off and I can't even see her laptop. So you're gonna have to compensate by physically getting farther back from your subject and recomposing. Farther back, like here, I can now see Christy and her laptop.